Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Shopify.com. And Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build in order to sell products to individuals that want to purchase. Shopify builds in the point of sale as well as categorization and lead generation. It allows you to manage the entire process from start to finish of the customer experience and gives you full customization over the look of the site as well as the delivery of the product and service. The platform has apps to build into the core website. This will allow you to bring in elements from third-party applications as well as those that you build from scratch. Shoppers can pay in various ways in order for you to profit from what it is you're selling. The platform does have a cost associated with it, and if you click the pricing button, you'll be able to see, as of the recording of this video, what the pricing is. Finally, with Shopify, included in the pricing is all of the bandwidth that you will need, as well as the hosting for your site. And if you sell offline and in person, you can merge your Shopify point of sale to your Shopify store. There is a trial available for 14 days, and you can find it on the home page, and you can click the trial button. This trial does not require a credit card in order to continue. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.